I can't breathe. We can't breathe. It's so huge. And I can feel in this pandemic what people are going through in this moment of time. We need to reframe words. Just change the word to begin with, I can breathe. So I just want you all to just take few moments and just inhale and very gently exhale. Thank you. Thank you for having me over today, and all that I have understood in this period of pandemic, I am willing to share happily. Specifically, Theta meditation and working on my belief systems really help anxiety, fear, stress, panic. How everything together is correlated, and they are emotions. And they are all deep below the rug. And now they are all surfacing up in form of depression, in form of rage, in form of anger, maybe towards yourself, towards your family who's suffering, or grief, or anything around. How do you feel about that suffering? That matters a lot. Anxiety, it prepares you basically all about for the future. What does panic do? It keeps you in a safeguard so that it saves you in when there is danger around you. When you get anxious or when you are in stress, your body goes into a fight or flight mode. Now, when the body goes into a fight or flight mode, the brain sends messages to the adrenals, which are right behind, above your kidneys. They are small little glands above your kidneys. And these adrenals start to release hormones, and these hormones gushes out so fast that your heart rate starts to pump. You go into that fight or flight stage. That fight or flight mode, what does it do? It weakens your immune system. And so your immune system is like, it's an army around in your body. And when that immune system weakens, the virus or the bacteria finds a way to enter into your body and attack you. How much of a burden are you holding of this anxiousness, fear and anxiety and on your shoulders? Like, how much overwhelming are you feeling? Like, imagine this glass, like how much weight of water this glass might have. Some may say 5 ounces, some may say 10 ounces. And I keep holding this glass of water, say for 5 minutes, right? And just seeing how much weight does it have. Now my wrist is starting to hurt. Now I hold it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Now my whole hand is starting to hurt a little. Now I hold this glass of full water the whole day. What would happen? My body will start to get overwhelmed, and it will feel that, oh, it's hurting, I need to put down this glass of water. So the moment I put down this glass of water on the table, I feel relaxed, I feel calm. I feel compassionate towards myself. That sense of calmness starts to come. Environmentally also, how the energy is affecting us on daily basis, it's affecting our emotions. So I want you to just close your eyes for a moment and see and feel which part of your body are you feeling that emotion of suffering or pain. Not for yourself, maybe someone in your family is not feeling okay. Which part of your body are you, that stress has been accumulated for a moment? How would you scale it from 0 to 10? From 0 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. It's very natural if someone in the family or around or a near or dear is suffering, we also suffer, right? So how much is that scale that is affecting you as an individual from 0 to 10. Don't allow this feeling of anxiety, panic, fear, or stress to become a pattern in your life. The best way is to calm yourself down. Come into the present moment. Come into that awareness. Breathe. Give that moment to yourself for new ideas to come. Okay, what is the next possibility that I can do to help myself or someone else around me? It all needs discipline basically to calm your mind and brain. And one of the ways meditation really helps, trust me, giving yourself just few moments, I'm saying, and I can breathe. When you say I can't breathe, it's like a death call, isn't it? The moment my breath stops means, oh, I will just die. And that is the fear of death. Like, say to yourself, I am 100% connected to myself. I am 100% connected to me. I am safe. I am free. And you see how well-being starts. These are the ways how you can come out of this situation of panic, stress, anxiety, and fears. One is be grateful, gratitude. Gratitude, I can breathe. Grace. That grace has, the divine grace is over you. Trust that. Be your best friend. Be authentic and speak out. Express yourself. It's okay. Because when you come into that acceptance of being anxious and having that fear and everything, things start to change and everything starts to shift around you. Do things without blame. Don't blame, अरे इसको हुआ था, मेरे हस्बैंड को हुआ इसलिए मेरे को हो गया, अब मेरे को हो गया तो मेरे मदर को हो गया. Stop blaming each other that because of this we all got it. Have patience. Be patient. This virus is really teaching us to bring our minds, bodies and spirit into a gentler space of empathy and kindness and service to each other, starting with our own self. Bring joy and expansion in your life. Now, how do we bring expansion in your life? Just close your eyes for a moment. Wherever you are sitting or lying down or what, just feel that energy. Feel the energy of your body. Feel the energy of your clothes that you are wearing. Just touch them. Feel the energy of the chair you are sitting on or the bed you are lying on. Just expand yourself into that energy. The more you expand, the more you connect with Mother Earth. If you are sitting, put your feet on the ground. You know, Mother Earth is the only mother planet which regenerates energy. And now Mother Earth is regenerating itself by locking us indoors. And transformation starts here itself. How? The word transformation. The word trans means going beyond, expand. And the word form means create. So expand yourself, be one with this universe and create beyond, because you are the power and you are infinite being into this limitless field, and it is, you're a spark of God and you are one energy with oneness of this limitless field. And the moment you come into that awareness, into that frequency, into that oneness, and you start to say, light, transmute into light and lightness, send the waves of energy, connect to that every molecule in space, that there is abundance of oxygen in the space and I can breathe it. Be grateful, feel it. Feel that sensing in your body, feel that sensation in your body.